Welcome back to the SB Bros. Today I'm going to be doing car reviews. Yeah, I'm switching to car-based videos because I love cars. And today I'm going to be doing the Toyota Camry XLE Hybrid 2012 model. And hope you enjoy, like and subscribe. Now I'm going to do a cold startup on the Toyota Camry. The amazing thing about this car is that with the keys, what you can do, you don't need to press the unlock button. Watch here. All I have to do is with the sensor, just hold it, opens the door. Same thing when you want to lock it. Say you want to lock the door, just touch it like this, and it's locked. So that's the amazing thing. It's a 2012 model, but it can do so much. The Camry is such a wonderful car. I went inside for this one so I could explain about hybrid in general. Oh gosh, it's hot. I don't want to turn the AC on. But yeah, basically about this car, it's hybrid, so what makes it special is that it does better mileage on regular streets since it turns to electric below 45 miles per hour. So you get like 40 miles per gallon on a highway, and you could get up to 50 on regular streets. And I know you're thinking, oh my gosh, that mileage is so high. And yeah, it is. But you're also paying a price for this. This car has 307 horsepower and can do 0 to 60 in like 5.2 seconds. Not that that matters, since it's not like a supercar. But yeah, in the so there are 3 models on Toyota: SE, LE, and XLE. And this car is an XLE, extra limited edition. And on this, I would say, in Camry you get all 3 of them, but in the hybrid version, you only get SE and XLE, and SE is not an option. If you're gonna get a car like this, you gotta get XLE. So this car is around $35,000, and I really like this car. It's pretty dirty, but it's very spacious, has a really nice interior. This trim, I really like it. It's not wood, but it doesn't feel cheap either. It's like really nice material. So I'm gonna close this door back here and show you the interface up front. It has your basic Toyota interface. It's really smooth when driving. Has your time up there. The infotainment system is really good. It's amazing. And you've got your regular automatic gearbox. And yeah, 404 miles per gallon. It's really good. Your everyday commute, you could do it easily with this car. And I'll show you more of the aerodynamics aspect of this car. So right here is the grille. It's built very aerodynamically. Right here, the air inlets can go sort of swerve out, take a corner, and get back. Same on both sides. This grille has that upwards aerodynamics and downward aerodynamics to push all the air through. And we've got just these side pieces for more aerodynamics. And then once we get to the back, same thing right here, aerodynamics. And this is, I would say, the most aerodynamic part. I know this is like a regular touring vehicle, but it feels very sporty. You've got the aerodynamics pushing out through there. The lights are designed in such a menacing form. And overall, I think this car. So yeah guys, I can't do a test drive for you because I don't have a license yet, but stay tuned for that in like a year. But thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video or if you have any feedback, please be sure to write in the comments below. Also, what car do you want me to do next? Oh god. The wind is crazy. But yeah, if you enjoy, be sure to like and subscribe and tell me all about you. And effectively, this vlog is over.